Hello everybody, Mr. Rubo here, and today we are continuing our rates of change videos. This time we are looking at the estimating rates of change at a point. Okay, so this is not over an interval, this is at one specific point. So here we have this graph, we have 6 points on this graph that we're going to look at today, but let's go ahead down a little bit here. So it says the graph of f is shown above, along with the line tangent to f when x equals -4. So you can see here this line drawn in at x equals 4. In calculus, we'll learn that the slope of a line tangent to the graph of f at any given point is the true rate of change of f at that point. While we're in AP Pre-Calc, we cannot find this slope in AP Pre-Calc. We can sketch the tangent line and estimate the rate of change. So that's really what this video touches. So it wants us to estimate the rate of change of f at x equals -4. Again, no interval here, it's just at one single point, using the slope of the line tangent to f at x equals -4. So here we're taking this line and we're going to estimate its slope. So what I would do here is I would go to this tangent line and find 2 points that are nice. So I'm going to choose this point right here. So -5, -5, 1, -5, 1, and then this point, which would be -2, 5. Okay. And now I'm going to use my average rate of change formula. So again, I'll rewrite those just down here, just so I don't have to scroll back up. -5, 1, and then the second point was -2, 5. So now I'm going to do my average rate of change between those 2 points. And this time, I'm actually not going to call it an average because it's not an average. It's from one, it's just the one tangent line. And this will be what we use for the rate of change at x equals 4. So 5 minus 1, -2 minus -5. We get 4, and we get 3, and there we go. 4/3 is what I got as my estimate. That could have changed. Technically, I estimated these points, right? Ooh, that went weird. So, that doesn't want to, I can't scroll while that's there. So because of that, because I estimated these points, your answers could be a little different. Okay. Now it wants us to sketch. Oh, now I can scroll. Sketch the tangent lines at f at the 5 points above. So let's go ahead and do that. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go, and again, yours might look a little different than mine, but we're going to try to draw lines that, that was really bad, that would touch these guys once at that point, but not more than once. Touch that at those specific points, but not touch the rest of the graph. So like here, that one's nice. I'm going to go, this guy kind of goes like that. And this one has a little bit steeper one. But those are straight lines. I probably could have used a line tool to make it look even better. But yeah, there's my 5 tangent lines. Could have looked better, but whatever. And then for example 8 here, it asks us, does the graph of f appear to have a greater rate of change at x equals 4 or x equals 5? Explain our reasoning. So here, when we look, we're not trying to find them, but we're just looking, does this slope of this tangent line, does this one at 4 compared to the one at 5, which one is bigger, right? That's what this question is asking. Which one is greater? Okay. So we're really just looking at steepness because they are both positive, right? Both positive slopes. So now we just need to look, okay, is this one going to be steeper than this one? And hopefully by looking at this, you can say that the one at 5 is steeper. So I'm going to go ahead, and so you don't have to read my handwriting, I'm just going to type this out. So both rate of changes at x equals 4 and x equals 5 are positive. So that's very important because if one was negative and one was positive, we'd be good. The greater rate of change occurs at x equals 5 since the slope of the tangent line at x equals 5 is steeper than that at x equals 4. So this explanation right here would be a pretty good one. Again, your answer could vary, but this hits the gist. Again, it's that idea that you get more steeper and that is positive, right? And yeah, there we go. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day.